Remove shells. Remove the entrails and remove the vein. It's important that the shrimp are well cleaned. Take your time. It will be worth it in the end. Twelve more to go. Rinse well with cold water. In 3 separate bowls, you will need 1 or 2 beaten eggs, flour, and fine breadcrumbs. I used seasoned breadcrumbs. You will also need a plate to place the breaded shrimp on. Drain the shrimp. Dip the shrimp first in the flour, then into the beaten egg, then into the breadcrumbs. Place on the plate. Continue until all shrimp have been breaded. Twelve more to go. Refrigerate until you are ready to deep fry. While the deep fryer oil is heating up, make the cocktail sauce. Mix a little horseradish with ketchup. It's very simple. A tossed salad goes well with breaded shrimp, lettuce, cucumber, and tomatoes. When the deep fryer oil is hot, 350 to 375 degrees. Place all the shrimp all at once to ensure even cooking. Fry for about 3 minutes. The shrimp will be golden. Adjust the heat if needed. The oil should be bubbly as it cooks. The shrimp will be white and tender, perfect. If your deep fryer is small, cook in smaller batches. You don't want to crowd food that is being deep fried. It will stick together and take longer to cook. It's ready. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share.